Remove the main unit and all accessories. Install the brackets on both sides. Install the brackets on both sides. First, place the handpiece on the bracket. Align the handpiece connector with the instrument's port and push it in firmly. Rotate the knob until it points to the locked symbol. Install the emergency button. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch to start up. Select gender, select age, choose the treatment area. Release the emergency switch button. Wait approximately 30 seconds and it will be ready for normal use. Parameters can be adjusted at any time during the operation. After pressing the emergency button, the instrument will pause immediately. Approximately 10 seconds later, the instrument will sound an alarm and the interface will display E20. After releasing the emergency switch, you must readjust the energy level before you can resume operation. Adjust the EMS and RF energy for the corresponding handpiece. Adjust the time.